I did this and I moved from earning $300 in 2 years from Upwork to earning over $1,000 and counting in just few months this year. Between 2022 and 2024 December, I earned only $300 from Upwork, but between January 1st till now, till now August, I've earned over $1,000 and counting, because recently I just signed a contract with a brand, and this is like the biggest job I've ever gotten in my 4 years of designing, right? And what did I do that changed everything, or what are the things I did that changed everything for me as touching Upwork? That is what I'm going to be sharing with you, and I want you to stick around. I want you to really pay attention, because every single thing I share in this video are things that are going to really be of great help to you. I believe they are so going to be of great help to you, to your design journey, especially if you've started building on Upwork, or if you've been looking forward to starting out on Upwork. First of all, you need to be aware that Upwork is a platform that is competitive, but even though Upwork is competitive, you can still stand a chance. I mean, people are still joining Upwork. New designers are still joining Upwork every single day, and many of them are getting opportunities. The opportunities you've been praying for as a designer, those big clients, those high-paying clients that you've been praying for, might just be somewhere around Upwork. But then you may never know except you put yourself out there, right? And because there were many things I did, or there were a couple of things I did that really helped me, aside from the fact that God really helped me. God is a major factor in this, right? But then there were other things that I did from my own part that that God breathed on, which eventually brought those opportunities, and which eventually make me get like 3 clients that I'm currently working with at the moment. 3 international clients that I'm currently working with on Upwork at the moment. And if you want to learn everything that I believe changed the game for me, I shared everything already in this video. I don't know, maybe year or year. The video is going to be around here, because I've made a detailed video already, and I do not want to repeat myself again on the channel. So just go and watch this video right now. I believe it's going to be somewhere around here. Go and watch this video right now. I shared, I think about 5 or 10. I've forgotten the exact number now, but I shared a lot of things in that video that are going to completely change your game. They are going to be of great help to you, and they are going to open your mind and enlighten your mind as touching Upwork, right? As searching how to win on Upwork, whether you're a designer or not. I mean, it is going to be a big plus if you're a graphic designer, because I am a graphic designer myself. So go and watch this video right away.